Ni hao and hi guys, my name is Hazim Wafiq and I'm from Max Sdn Bhd. So our company is based in Rawang. So Max Sdn Bhd is actually an official partner for JAKA Robotics, where we supply and we provide a robotic solution by using this JAKA robot. And today we have a JAKA S series, which is JAKA S12 for EV charging application. So for JAKA S12 series, we have 4 sensor embedded at the joint 6. Okay, so with 4 sensor, cobot can detect sensitive touch instead of rigid movement. So the cobot can dynamically adjust itself if it detects obstacles. So for example, in this EV charging application where the tolerance is very tight, so for sensors is very necessary for the cobot to insert the charging port inside the car. JAKA has a very user-friendly applications and interactive interface. So for example, we can see in this pendant, it has a very interactive interface where we can see force detection real time in X, Y and Z direction. Okay. With force sensor, JAKA S12 is very convenient to work closely together with humans because it can dynamically move the robot and it will produce low impact when hit with humans. Okay. And lastly, JAKA cobot has very high reliability, which is 80,000 hours, which is very convenient for industrial usage. So no worries if you can use this cobot for like 10 years, which is equivalent to 80,000 hours. Okay, thank you very much.